Oh man, it's been a while. Hey friends, it's been a minute, and I kind of disappeared from YouTube for a bit, and I owe you guys an update, both on where I've been and where this channel is going moving forward. So let's rip off the Band-Aid. Over the past couple of months, I've been going through a divorce. It's been a big life transition. Obviously, you can see that I'm not in my home anymore. I actually had to move back to Canada. So it's been a huge transition that's been emotional, messy, and honestly, just incredibly overwhelming at times. And as much as I wanted to come back and keep working, I needed this time and space to heal and to process and to figure out life again on my own. I'm not going to get into the details because obviously that should remain private. But one thing that I want you guys to know is that I'm okay. I'm in a good place now. I've learned so much about myself, and I'm honestly excited about this next chapter. Starting over can be really scary, and there were definitely days where I didn't know what was coming next, both in my personal life and in my career. So there was a lot of figuring out that I had to do. But there's also something really beautiful about rebuilding your life from the ground up on your own terms. And that's where I am now, living alone, running my business solo, figuring out what independence looks like, and kind of falling in love with the process again. So let's talk about where this channel is headed, because there are going to be some changes ahead. I still love and will be sharing my small business journey with you guys, but now from the perspective of someone who is truly doing it alone. Running a woman-led small business, burnout, marketing, navigating growth, the failures, the successes, all the things, but balancing it all with real life. The mess, the joy, the in-between moments, and all sharing it from my point of view as someone who is starting it all over again. This channel will still show you guys the behind the scenes of running my small business. I will still show you things that I'm making, my projects, my products, selling online, maybe at some point selling in markets again. Day in the life content, tips and tricks and lessons that I'm learning along the way, and probably a lot of honest chats about rebuilding after a huge change. And if you have ever started over in business and relationships, I want this channel to be a place where we can figure it all out together. I actually told my patrons about this 2 months ago, and the amount of support and kind messages I've received from my patrons has been so wonderful and overwhelming. I'm so lucky to have fostered and nurtured a community of people that just want the best for me and have encouraged me not just to take as much time as I needed, but also just let me know that it's okay to take a break. It's okay to rest, and that they will be there whenever I was ready to come back. And it's not just patrons. I have gotten messages from people on Instagram wondering where I am and hoping that all is well. And I wish I could have been more open about what was going on, but I really did need that space and that time to heal, to process. So thank you for being so understanding and your patience. Because of all of that, you have definitely given me the strength to be back now. I'm really excited to be back, and I can't wait for what's coming next. Taking that time away wasn't easy, but I needed it. And the fact that you're still watching means the world to me. If you're going through something similar, which judging from my comments that I got on Patreon, sounds like a lot of you are, either you've done it before, or you're going through it now, or you know someone who has gone through divorce or a big life-changing transition, let me know in the comments. I am so lucky to have a community of like-minded people that are so kind and who are willing to offer their experiences and wise words and just encouragement to anyone who needs it. So if you are wanting to share your journey or wanting to do anything like that, let me know, because it really does help to be open and to share and to connect. And that's what I want to do in this next chapter moving forward, is to connect with you guys on a more authentic and deeper way. So as I continue to share my story, please don't hesitate to share yours. There is definitely someone watching this video, reading the comments, that you will help by doing that. This new chapter feels different, but so much more authentic to me than it ever has been. So here's to new beginnings, to growth, to healing, and to doing it all one step at a time. I have so many exciting things planned, so stay tuned for more videos. I am fully back and ready to continue sharing and to continue growing this community that I love so much. Again, thank you if you're still here and want to continue to support me. I love you guys. It feels good to be back.